What's up, online shoppers? If you have dark circles under your eyes like I do, I have found a product that is really starting to make a difference, and that is the Murad Vita-C Dark Circle Correcting Serum, and it's so lovely. I just really enjoy putting it on every morning. Let's look at what's in it, and I'll show you how it looks on your skin. Now, this Vita-C Dark Circle Corrector is so great. It's part of Murad's Environmental Shield Vitamin C Brightening line, and it is just delightful. And anytime you find them encased in something that is airtight, you know you've already bonused. A lot of skincare ingredients become less effective when they are exposed over a long period of time to oxygen. So having it in a pump like this definitely prevents the air from getting in and spoiling your ingredients. Now, this is really good for brightening, and I also really like it for helping to reduce the puffiness around the eyes. It's got a little button here on the top and a little spout here. So we're just gonna give it a little squirt. Now, when it comes out, it has this really pretty golden glow, and I love when I put it on under my eyes because it automatically has this kind of shimmery consistency, and you can see the way the light catches it there. It actually helps to reflect the light that bounces on thin skin of your eyes, and it definitely helps to brighten your eyes right away. Now, that's just the glow part of it, but the vitamin C that's in it also helps with that. Now, I have sensitive skin, and my skin has not reacted badly to this at all. It's very gentle, and it feels really, really silky and smooth when you spread it on your skin. I love that the entire Murad line is made without cruelty, and I love also that it is vegan, which is another really fantastic element to it. I did see the dark circles under my eyes starting to fade within about 2 weeks' time in consistent application. The vitamin C in here is actually gold stabilized, which is really cool, and that helps to up the antioxidant capacity of the vitamin C that's in this serum. That is really cool. Of course, some of the other great ingredients in here include different algae extracts. So you have a wide variety of agents acting in this serum to help your skin lighten up, to reduce pigmentation, and also to just feel really nice and moisturized throughout the day. If you are looking for a really nice eye serum, this one here, the Murad Vita-C Environmental Shield for Dark Circle Correction, is awesome. I love how it feels on my skin. I love the nice little sheen I get when I put it on my skin, and the area definitely feels moisturized and pampered the entire day long. This is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.